friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add admin to your Facebook page, right? As you can see, I am into my Facebook. I have already switched into my Facebook page, right? And we are on the home page right now. Now you need to click on the profile page, right? You can simply click on the page name and you will profile page will open, and now we need to click on settings. Okay, in the left side we need to scroll, and here is the page setup option, and now you need to visit page access. Okay, from here you can add anyone as an admin to your Facebook page. You just need to click on add new and then next, and you can search the person name whom you need to provide the admin access, right? You need to select the person name, and whenever you will click on the give access, that particular person will get a request of accepting the Facebook page admin request, right? One thing which you need to know before adding anybody as an admin to your Facebook page is that you need to add that particular person in your Facebook friend list, right? Then only here name will appear if you search for that person's name. Now I will simply click on give access, and it will ask me about my Facebook password, and whenever I will enter the Facebook password, I will simply click on confirm, and the page request will be sent to that person on the Gmail, right? Or whatever the email that is associated with his or her Facebook account. Now what he or she needs to do next is he needs to open the email and simply click on the accept request, and he will be added as an admin in our Facebook page. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then you can simply click on the link given in video description below, and you can visit our website, and from there you can explore the course and purchase the course directly. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.